Dear students and parents, Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I am Sobia Salim. I am your teacher of English B of class 6. Dear student, I hope you all are fine and well with the grace of Allah at your homes. Student, all of you know that the present pandemic of COVID-19. So because of this, I have started the lecture of your subject of English B through this way. So please open your books and move on. I am going to teach you about the story. The story name is The Boy and the Villagers. That is on page number 45. Firstly, you have to read the story from the book. Then I have written some difficult words on the board. Also the meaning of these. These are mischievous, naughty, shouted, cried, rescue, protect or save, unfortunately, unluckily, beast, dangerous wild animal, struggled, work hard. In this story, there are two main characters. Number 1, the boy. Number 2, the villagers. I have written some main points here. Naughty boy, simple villagers, boy shouted loin loin. He was calling for help. Number 4, villagers came for help. Boy laughed on his act. Unfortunately, victim is the boy. Okay, I am doing the self-reading here. The topic is the boy and the villagers. Once upon a time, a mischievous boy lived in a village that stood in the feet of a hill. One day he thought of having fun at the cost of his fellow villagers. Standing on a high rock, he shouted at the top of his voice, "Loin, loin, come save me." The villagers heard the shout and ran to help him. But when they reached there, they could see no loin, and the boy was perfectly all right. The boy laughed at the villagers, saying, "No loin, I did it, only for fun." The villagers got highly annoyed and came back with an air of anger. Few days later, the boy repeated the whole act again. Again the villagers went to rescue, but were duped again. Now they decided not to be fooled by him anymore. Unfortunately, one day the loin really came there. Now the boy shouted, "Loin, loin," as loud as he could. But nobody came to help him out. The loin attacked the boy. The boy struggled hard to save himself, but within few minutes the beast killed him. So, once a liar, always a liar. The moral lesson is nobody believes a liar. The main theme of the story is once upon a time, a boy lived in a village. He decided to make a plan to fool the villagers. And he did it so by shouting, "Loin, loin, come save me." The villagers came here for help, but it was a lie. The boy fooled the people again. Third time, the villagers decided to not be fooled by him. Third time, the loin really came there. He cried for help, but it's useless. He broke the trust by speaking lie. Dear student, there is a question. The question arises is, do you think why don't the people came for help? Is there any answer in your mind? You also think that they decided to came for help at the first time. They decided to came for help on the second time, but why they decided to not come at the third time? Let me tell you the answer of the question that why people don't came at the third time. Because he was a liar and nobody trusted on a liar. Ultimately, the lion attacked him and killed him. His life can be saved if he maintains the trust by speaking only the truth. The moral lesson of the story is nobody believes a liar. Liar is always disrespected. I have written some lessons from the story that always speak the truth, and truth has power. And Allah disliked the liar. Okay students, we have finished the story. Thanks all of you students. You may keep praying from Allah to keep us safe and all the people of the world from the present pandemic of COVID-19. Okay dear student, learn this story and write it on the rough copies. Now it's time to leave. Take care. Allah Hafiz.